Hi DIYers! Today we are starting a new series in which we take a completely empty space like this and transform it into something truly beautiful like this. We have started this video series to inspire people to do it themselves, avoid spending lots of money and feel that sense of achievement. Here at CladTech we have the UK's largest range of decor panels and flooring, so be sure to visit the website if you want to make your home look beautiful. If you enjoy DIY videos, hit subscribe and join our growing community of DIYers. In today's video, we're going to be decorating the walls with our very popular black sparkle and chrome. We are using this panel as its sparkle design captures the light and creates a beautiful colour shimmer. If you're looking to transform a space in your home, we have thoughtfully created a step-by-step guide showing you the easy way that you can fit bathroom panels in your home. So if that's the case, look at the top corner now and you'll see a card appear. Simply click on this to watch the guide. The panels we're using have interlock technology. Simply click them together and you now have a 100% waterproof seal. If you've watched the guide, you will now understand how easy it is to install panels. We are starting with getting the first panel into place and secured to the wall. When we've accomplished this, we repeat the process across the run of the first wall. We're able to do this very quickly and in no time at all. You can already see that with even only one wall completed, how beautiful this black sparkle and chrome design is. Now we need to carry out the same process for both walls. Did you know, by the way, that panels are 90% cheaper than tiles? This is just one of the reasons everyone is now using them. Look how beautiful the walls look now. We have fit all three walls with this black sparkle and chrome finish in less than 2 hours. You can see how this beautiful sparkle design catches the light and creates that beautiful colour shimmer. Now we've done the walls, it's time for the floor. We have decided to go with this stunning grey textured finish. The reason for this is so we're going to add contrast against the black sparkle walls. This flooring interlocks together just like the panels do. This is for a quick, easy installation. Take a look at the beautiful flooring and how it complements the decor panels so well. Now we've completed the walls and the floor, it's time to add in some bathroom furniture to give this space the finishing touch. Only 3 hours ago we started with this completely empty shell. Now look how it's transformed. Remember, here at CladTech we have the UK's largest range of decor panels and flooring. Be sure to visit the website for more info. Also, if you're new here, consider subscribing and join our growing community of DIYers.